How to make money online. Sponsored posts are pretty self-explanatory. Basically, companies and businesses pay you to write good stuff about them, that is, their services and their products, on your site or blog. What you need to do is talk about a product or a brand you like, tell your readers how you use it, and inform them how they can benefit from it. Now, how much you earn depends on several factors. How often do you write sponsored posts? The niche you are? Then who pays you? etc. Payments range from a couple of $100 to several $1,000 per post, sometimes also tens of thousands of dollars if your site has a lot of traffic. Now, an important thing to remember when writing a sponsored post is that you should generally try and write about products and companies that you like, trust, and actually have tried out. These should be brands and businesses that you genuinely feel good about, that you believe in and don't have a problem promoting. That way, it will be much easier to gain trust with your readers, because if they don't think you are genuine, it will definitely hurt your site's growth.